Ashlyn, don't do that. You're just gonna break them. Don't purposely crash those. No. No. You're supposed to go forward. What are you guys being weak? No. Go forward, Macy. Ashlyn, no. Hey! All right, here comes spankings. Go forward, Macy. Switch it to forwards. You're gonna break it.
I'm trying to.
You're doing it on purpose. She doesn't. You know better. Put it on forward. And why are you in her car?
Huh?
Why are you in Macy's car? No, put it forward. You know better. You're just gonna drain the battery and get stuck. Just stop ramming it into things. You're gonna break it and break one of the wheels off, and you're gonna cry because those cost a lot. Go forward, Macy. Stop it for a second. What kind of car are you driving? Mustangs are better?
Yes.
Because made by Ford? It's American. And it's American. Oh, stop beating them up. You're beating up her car. I paid a lot for that.
Daddy, you might not see that.
So now you're stuck. That's what you deserve.
Still doing it. Ashlyn? Ashlyn! I see you!
What?
Stop doing that.